Unfair to compare.
Don't let that be a 10, cause she too messy. Fuck them broke boys with it. Get out my section, get out my section. I pull them up. Goddamn, too much flex. Damn, call them in traffic on the accident repressed. Got them.
Before I was really interrupted by the camera overheating and shutting off, I was gonna say I'm pretty impressed that the VTX wasn't overheating while I was walking to get it. Because when my first crash, I had to pack up my bag real quick and then walk over to get it, and you know, because I'm not leaving my bag in this fucking neighborhood anywhere around sketchy flying here anyway. But yeah.